Nestled in the lush green landscape of the San Rafael Hills of Pasadena, California, the San Rafael residence is a testament to the successful integration of modern architecture, fine interiors, and flawless execution in construction. Surrounded by over 1/2 acre of landscape, along with expansive decking and patios for entertaining, the home commands verdant views from every room. From the start, our clients had dreams of pursuing a Zen-like atmosphere. To achieve this, we partnered with W. Ford Interiors, and together, we cultivated a personalized aesthetic both inside and out. We began with the front facade and entry. The brighter exterior color palette makes for a more inviting approach, along with a new front door constructed with large glass sidelights and panels that assists the two overhead skylights in illuminating the gorgeous interior. Once inside, the entry perfectly sets the tone for the Zen-like sensibilities throughout the home. The new living room carried these aesthetics forward with select furnishings and East Asian art lining the walls and end tables. Moving down the hall toward the family room, you'll spy a screen wall of 21 4.5-inch thick teak wood planks that create a striking backdrop behind the new kitchen, as well as an elegant safety feature to the staircase that leads to the basement and lower-level pool and gardens. The original kitchen was isolated from the dining room and family room. Our client's lifestyle and preference for a more feng shui layout directed the new design to create flow throughout the kitchen, dining room, and family room, as well as the newly expanded outdoor patio area. The new kitchen combines function and beauty, with abundant storage behind the teak and cherry wood cabinetry, top-of-the-line luxury appliances, and its bar-height island that overlooks beautiful views thanks to the dining room floor-to-ceiling windows. A unique element like the floating cabinetry to the right of the main kitchen island is a great example of how a sculpturally influenced piece was able to create more open space through its minimalistic design. The family room was outfitted with a floor-to-ceiling granite wall that houses the new fireplace and 80-inch flat-screen television. The master suite was completely refurnished and refinished to match the tone of the rest of the estate, while adding its own distinctive flair. The master bathroom was originally segmented, creating confined spaces that made navigating the room cumbersome. We streamlined the arrangement of the room by stripping away any unnecessary structures that divided the space. The new zero-threshold shower is built straight into the quartzite wall along the pathway between the main powder room and sunken concrete tub. It packs a number of elegantly crafted features, loaded with a foot washer, niche shelves, a towel warming bar, and a state-of-the-art rain shower overhead with LED lights and music speaker console. The striking but simple presentation can be deceiving. The teak panel flooring conceals a sloped shower drain and is easily removable in case our clients care to reinvigorate its finish. Custom cast in concrete, the new sunken tub incorporates a floating bench seat with a niche to store bathing products and a built-in hand sprayer. The wall behind is comprised of rice paper laminate glass from Pulp Studio to further instill the Eastern aesthetics while offering a greater sense of privacy. The previous floor plan included 4 bedrooms. In fact, one of the bedrooms had become an overflow storage space to accommodate their considerable wardrobe. And so we converted that 4th bedroom into a large dressing room, with white oak flooring, a combination of oak, alder, and walnut cabinetry, and a reutilized chandelier to add a splash of color to the space. To strike the right balance between natural light and privacy, all of the north-facing windows with views to the new black pool and gardens utilize cutting-edge technology that allows them to switch between transparent and opaque at the touch of a button. The home office was redesigned to better serve our clients' needs in both their work life and crafting pursuits. The main guest bathroom was remodeled with walls made entirely of black Venetian plaster, with teak cabinetry, a custom concrete sink, black commode, and thin light pendants all in the same floating effect. Hidden behind a vertical teak slat wall, the black zero-threshold shower provides a sliding pocket door for added privacy. Finally, the new backyard was completely overhauled in order to incorporate an Olympic-sized lap pool, back patio, and spa. The grade of the hill was significantly reduced and terraced with steel core 10 panels in order to support and bolster the framework of the pool without sacrificing an organic feel to complement the landscape. The gorgeous row of stone slabs create an elegant backdrop along the perimeter that accentuates the waterfall at the center of the Olympic Lane. For added sparkle, the entire interior of the pool was tiled with a beautiful glass mosaic tile. And if our clients ever need to shield themselves from a particularly sunny day, retractable overhead shades can now disperse at the touch of a button. It's always satisfying to successfully improve the quality of a home, but nothing compares to improving the quality of our clients' lives. To learn more about us, visit hartmanbaldwin.com, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to hear the stories behind more of our favorite transformations.